Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign in to Slack on your mobile phone using a QR code. It's quick, simple, and very convenient. So let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or web browser. Once you're logged in, click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the menu, select Get the mobile app. After clicking this option, a QR code will appear on your screen. Now, take your phone and open the camera app or any QR code scanner. Scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Once scanned, you'll be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Slack mobile app. Install the app, then open it and tap on Sign In. Choose your preferred sign-in method, such as Google, and select your account. Tap Continue, allow the required permissions, and Slack will automatically sign you into your workspace. And that's it. You're now logged into Slack on your mobile device using a QR code. It's fast, secure, and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.